Here's something that shocks a lot of business owners. SARS can legally take money straight out of your bank account, without going to court, and sometimes without you seeing it coming. It's real, it's powerful, and if you understand it, you can make sure it never happens to you. Let me explain. The power is in the Tax Administration Act. If you owe SARS money, SARS can appoint a third party, most commonly your bank, and instruct them to pay your tax debt out of your account directly to SARS. Your bank has to comply. It's often called a third-party appointment. Now, the important part, it's almost never a bolt from the blue. It's the end of a road. SARS issues assessments, sends demands, and gives you chances to respond long before it reaches into your account. People get caught because they ignored the letters, not because there weren't any. So what actually triggers it? An undisputed tax debt that you've left unpaid, and unarranged. Outstanding VAT, pay, you deducted from staff but didn't pay over, income tax, penalties. Once it's due, final, and you've done nothing about it, you've handed SARS the green light. And one is especially dangerous. Pay. The money you deduct from your employees' salaries for SARS was never yours. If you use it for cash flow and don't pay it over, SARS treats that very seriously and moves quickly. Never, ever borrow from your PAYE. It doesn't stop at your bank either. SARS can also intercept money owed to you by your own customers, and in serious cases, hold responsible people personally liable for certain company tax debts. The reach is wider than most people realize. But you will get warnings. A final demand is exactly what it says. The last step before action. The single worst thing you can do with a letter from SARS is nothing. Every demand is a chance to act, and each one you ignore narrows your options. So, how do you protect yourself? First, never ignore SARS. Open every letter and respond. If you disagree with the amount, dispute it properly and on time. A debt under dispute generally can't be collected. Silence is the only thing that guarantees they'll act. Second, if you genuinely owe it but can't pay it all at once, arrange it. SARS will very often agree to a payment plan, spreading the debt over months. A debt with an arrangement you're keeping to is a debt that won't be pulled from your account. Ask before they take. And the real fix is to never get there. File everything on time, pay what's due, and keep your pay and VAT sacred. If you always know your SARS position and stay current, this power simply never gets pointed at you. Fear it if you hide, ignore it if you're clean. And keeping you clean and in control is exactly what we do. At Smartbook, we keep your filings up to date, watch your SARS account, flag any debt early, and arrange or dispute it before it ever reaches your bank. Head to smartbookie.co.za and the link is in the description. So yes, SARS can take money from your account, but only at the end of a road you can always step off. Never ignore a letter, dispute or arrange what you owe, and stay current. Do that and you're safe. And if you'd like us to handle it, that's what we do. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.